If students believe in you and like you, there's nothing they won't do for you. Once your classroom structure is in place, the main focus should be on kindness. Now, I know that sounds cheesy, but kindness is probably the best teaching strategy that exists. If we truly care about each student beyond their grades and assignments, they will notice and will work harder for you. And it's not difficult to show students that you care. You can do this by talking to every student at least one time each week about what is important to them. The conversations don't need to be long, they can just be a minute or two, but if students believe that you truly care about them, it can improve attendance, motivation, and achievement. So consider keeping a journal of conversations you have with students that outlines their interests and goals. The journal will always give you a conversation starter with every student, like, "How is your mom feeling this week?" Or "Did you beat that video game yet?" Now, the goal of education is to help students develop a love of learning. Once a student loves learning, there's no stopping them. Showing students that you care about them might be the most important step toward this goal, and I can prove it right now. Why do you want to teach? Well, it's probably because of a teacher, right? For me, it was Mr. Mott. My relationship with him inspired me to be a lifelong learner. It's all about those relationships, y'all.